Hi, it's Jennifer. I am here with another video. Today we are going to have some sticker fun. I have my little helper here who's going to demonstrate some benefits of playing with stickers. Go ahead, you can pick any sticker you want and put it anywhere you want on the paper. So she is going to work on making choices. She can work on color recognition. She can work on the bilateral coordination and the dexterity of getting the stickers, the paper off of the back of the stickers. If she was having difficulty with this, I could start it so that she could finish it and then have success. You're good? Working on frustration tolerance. When she puts the stickers on the paper, she could put them anywhere she wants, and this helps with boundaries and understanding spacing as a precursor to writing letters, so that she doesn't write letters on top of each other, understanding that there are spaces between words. This helps with that concept. We could talk about top, bottom, middle as a precursor to letter writing as well, when we start giving those verbal directions, start at the top and draw down towards the bottom, that kind of thing. I could also work on her writing letters and understanding that vertical and horizontal stroke. The first letters that come in are the straight line letters. So the letters E, F, H, I, T, L, those are the straight line letters. So if I were to write one of those letters, I'm going to write the letter T, straight line down, straight line across. Can you put some stickers right on that line, start here and go down?
Sure.
Sure. She's super agreeable, so that helps. Oh. All right, so the next one I want you to start on the top and go down towards the bottom. What did you pick?
I have no idea what that is. Whatever it is.
Oh, you went across first. Okay, so now I want you to start here at the top and go down towards the bottom.
Whatever. This is a spaceship?
I think that's a spaceship. This kind of looks like a rocket to me. What color is spaceship?
So, a pinkish. So I'm going to put a spaceship right, like, straightening it down.
Straightening it down.
And putting one more little.
Oh, there's a little spot for you to do it.
And I'm going to put this little piece right here.
It's right there in the rocket. Perfect.
And then this other piece that apparently came out here.
You can put that there.
And then this is going to go here.
Perfect. You want to show it to the people?
So this is what I'm having.
So far, so good. I hope that you have fun with this activity. Stay safe and wash your hands.